In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Expense. Zoho Expense is an innovative tool that helps you streamline your expense management process. To get started, open Zoho Expense in your web browser by heading to the website. Once you've made your way to the main dashboard, you'll find all the essential features on the left navigation pane, which is a significant part of keeping your expense reports well organized and comprehensive. Now let's zero in on the Trips section. By clicking on Trips, you enter a space dedicated to managing your business travels. This area allows you to monitor all related expenses and itineraries, making it an indispensable feature for frequent business travelers. Here you can create new trips, manage itineraries, and keep track of travel-related expenses. Not only does it simplify the process of organizing your travel plans, but it also ensures that all associated expenses are diligently recorded and ready for future reports. Next up is the Expenses tab. Clicking here opens up a feature-rich environment where everything about your business expenses can be managed with ease. This section allows you to record new expenses on the fly and categorize them accordingly. From meal receipts to miscellaneous purchases, every expense can be documented with precision. With user-friendly options to attach files and enter details, you have everything you need at your fingertips to ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Moving on to reports, you'll find this section crucial for compiling all the information on your expenses. Generating detailed reports here provides valuable insights into your spending patterns, aiding in better budgetary decisions. You can create new reports, share them with team members, and even submit them for approval within the same interface. Reports are a powerful feature for those looking to analyze and optimize their expenses strategically. Further down the line, you'll encounter the Cards section. This area will allow you to manage your corporate cards effectively. Here you can assign, activate, or deactivate cards, ensuring a secure and efficient oversight of all card transactions. Keeping an eye on card activity is vital for preventing unauthorized expenditures, maintaining financial control, and ensuring that your business operations aren't disrupted. Then we have Approvals. In this section, you can view and manage expense reports that are pending approval. It allows team leaders and managers to swiftly process incoming reports, checking for compliance and accuracy before giving the green light. This ensures that the approval process is both coherent and robust, helping maintain accountability within the team. Lastly, let's explore Analytics. This section provides comprehensive insights into your expense trends and metrics. Through intuitive charts and data analysis tools, you can dissect your expense data, identifying trends, irregularities, or areas for improvement. Analytics serves as a cornerstone for making informed decisions, enhancing the ability to strategize and optimize your spending with evidence-backed data. By following this journey through Zoho Expense, you'll see how each section plays a pivotal role in streamlining your expense management. Take your time to familiarize yourself with each feature, and you'll soon be managing expenses with unmatched efficiency and ease.